Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install Kali Linux under Windows 11 PC or laptop with the help of Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu or search menu and type over there PowerShell. Okay, after that right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now click on yes, and after open a Windows PowerShell, you just need to put some command which I'll give you on my video description. So here's my website. So you can copy paste the command from this website. So I will give you the link on my video description. The first command is to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you just need to copy this command and go to your PowerShell and right click over there and press enter. Now it will take some time to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you have to wait for few minutes. After operation completed successfully, you just need to go to my website and copy the next command to enable virtual machine feature. Okay, so copy that command, and after that you just need to right click over there and press enter. So after operation completed successfully, you just need to go to your Microsoft Store, search over there Kali Linux, now click on Kali Linux, click on install. Now it will take some time to install Kali Linux on your computer. After installation done, you have to restart your computer. So after restart done, go to your start menu, type over there PowerShell. Now right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. After that click on yes, and here you need to type the command is called WSL space -- update, and it will check for the updates. Okay, after done, you just need to close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to my website and you have to download WSL2 Linux kernel package. So click on this download button and it will automatically download one WSL update 64 MSI package. So click over there and you just need to install this WSL2 package. Click on yes. After installation done, go to your start menu, type over there Kali Linux, click on Kali Linux app. Now you have to put the Unix username. In my case, I will put Tricknology, and you have to put the password, retype the password, and you are done. Now after done, I will open Kali Linux terminal and I will try to install Metasploit framework. Let's see it's working or not. Now if I type msf console, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now I will install Xrdp to remotely access my Kali Linux console. For that I just need to go to my start menu, type Kali Linux, click on Kali Linux app. Now put this command one by one. Put the password. Next command. After done, go to your start menu, type remote desktop, and here to type local host, then colon, then 3390. Now click on connect, click on yes. Here to put your Kali Linux username and password. So in my case Tricknology, my password, So it's working successfully. So I hope this video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.